Create your project and enter your information. Then, choose a pixel size for your project. SSANTO supports shapefiles, which comprises SHP, SHX, PRJ, and DBF files. There you go, you've created a project. Head to the Hierarchy tab to add your objectives, attributes, and value scales. Click the button to add an objective. You can then rename it to find it more easily. Next, add its attribute. SSANTO supports attributes based on data or distance. There are three types of attributes. Continuous, like the slope percentage. Categorical, like lane uses. Or Boolean, like the presence or absence of a parking lot. Here's an example of a categorical attribute. Select the column of your shapefile that contains your data. Select the type of attribute. Assign your value scale using the slider. Here's an example of a continuous attribute using a piecewise function as a value scale. Use the button Add Breakpoint to define your function. SSANTO calculates the rest. Here's an example of a distance attribute using a mathematical function as a value scale. Finally, weight your attribute so that the sum of the weights is equal to 1. Now save your hierarchy. The green square means that you are now ready to run the analysis. There you go, you've just generated your suitability map. To make it easier to display, not all pixels are shown. To see them, you'll need to download the map. Your map can be downloaded in several formats. And there you go, you've just learned how to use SSANTO.